What's everyone, Dev Narrator here. So I'm back with another video. So in this video we're looking at the median of two sorted arrays. This is a LeetCode challenge, which is hard. I implemented this in Ruby, and yeah, fun fact, Ruby was the first programming language I've ever coded in over about seven years ago, and had to go back and just go back in the back in time to just learn it. And let's just get into it. So given two sorted arrays nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of the two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O log m plus n. So you can see the example. We've got input, got nums1 is an array of is an array 1 3, nums2 is 2, so the output is 2, but the explanation is merge the array first, so it's 1 2 and 3, then the median is 2. So in the second one you can see nums1 1 2, nums2 3 4, the output is 2.5, which is a float. Then merging the array, it's 1 2 3 4. So we first merge the array, then find the median, which is 2 plus 3. So it's the first and second, so it's the first index and second index. Find the median and get 2.5. So without further ado, let's just talk about this. So first, we make sure that nums1 is the shorter array. Then we find the median of the shorter array and use binary search to find the corresponding element in the longer array. I used two functions, created a first function of find median sorted arrays and looking for the kth function. This is a function I created there. So if the element is found, we return the median. If the element is not found, we find the next few elements in both arrays and return the median. So as you could see from the example, you first merge the arrays, then you find the median. You take if you want to find the median, so you take the two values that are in between, then you add them, then you divide them by 2. So this is actually pretty hard. I will try to follow this up with another video just explaining how I could be able to achieve the same problem in another programming language like Python. I use Ruby in this just to change it up a bit. It was actually pretty hectic because it's listed as a hard question, but I was able to just find a way to hack it through and do it. It took me a while to be able to get to this solution, but I was able to do that. But I'll follow this up later with Python solution because I enjoy coding in Python. Not Ruby as much, although Ruby is the first language I used, but this challenge was a bit hectic. It was pretty hectic, and I don't know, LeetCode, hard problems. Man, this is just mind-boggling. I'll leave the link to the repository which has this code on my GitHub, so you can go check it out and use this as a reference to be able to solve this problem. And I'm out. See you guys in the next one.